Hi, it's me.
Hello! I am alive!
Oh, I just wanna show you guys our blinds, how they look and how will they look after. So this is how they look today. They are yellow. And as you can hear it broken. I don't know if I can push it this one to the limit. Yeah. So these are yellow and broken, and we ordered new ones. And this is how they look. Isn't that perfect? And looks so beautiful. I love it so much. So this is what I mean with the reflecting light. As you can see, the light is coming from, let me see if I can point it out. It's reflecting from there, which means that my flowers are getting real sun. So now we're gonna take a look at my living room in a closer perspective. So when you are coming in, you can see the TV and lamps on the right, and you can see extra lamp, and this is my daylight lamp with a huge bulb, and it's here serving its purpose. It takes care of my philodendron, and I love this philodendron because it has such a beautiful red purplish new leaves, and then they're becoming purplish green, and then very nice green. Just beside that is my Monstera variegata, Deliciosa variegata, and this is the new leaves she produced. This is the newest one. They do like lots of light. This one looks more like a marble queen pothos. And on the back over there you can see my avocado, and I just cut it down and I see it's sprouting new here, which is lovely. And I have my little philodendron, and here I have spider plant from Lini and Hansi. So let's move to the window, and you can see my light. Okay, so here we have my cast iron plant, or aspidistra as they actually are the name. And I'm trying something with this aspidistra. It's a terracotta knob, and I put it in the soil, and then I put the water in this. So maybe you can actually see it's kind of wet, which is good. And the water sips slowly down to the pot. And just beside that I have my second aspidistra. This one is from a different nursery. It's recovering, but I love it. And then we are going to... this is Dracaena. I think this is... I have to shower this one. I didn't shower this one. It's all dusty. Fragrance Dracaena, maybe? Or something. Oof. And in between there we have my Benjamin, no, not Benjamin, it's my Ficus lyrata, and I do a project with this ficus, so I strip all the leaves. And beside this one we have my couple of love and my Sansevieria moonshine, a little bit greenish white. It's lovely. And then we have my Sansevieria, what do they call this? Flame something, I think. And we have my big collections of my Sansevierias. It's like taking a whole window. But I'm planning to put the dark ones together and the variegated ones together. And let me see, what do we have more? And here we have another Sansevieria, Kirky Friends, I think they call it. And the bird nest Sansevieria, it's really, really pretty. My dumb cane, or oh, I just forgot the name of it. Okay, whatever. Do I have a... No, I don't. Oh, Diefenbachia, maybe. Yeah, this may be Diefenbachia. Yes, Diefenbachia, dumb cane. It's lovely. And here we have one of Euphorbias, devil tongue or something like that. It has a really huge thorns and very, very sharp. And we have another Euphorbia. Actually, I bought it when it was so small, so 1 year growth is huge. It grows really, really quick. And this is the Euphorbia rubra, Trigona rubra, which I got as a cutting from a friend. Hello, Evelyn. And we have another Euphorbia. I also like Euphorbias, as you're noticing. Well, so this is the collection, but on the windows we also have this beautiful Hoya linaris. I'm new to the Hoyas, but I spotted this one in Lini's video and I thought it was so pretty. It has very special leaves. Very, very nice. And we were shopping for stuff for, you know, like Home Depot or something. And they had this pretty Phenolopsis for like $2. So I just had to take it. And we have my old Ripsalis. You can see how old is like a tree here. Old Ripsalis. I got it I think it's gonna flower even. Yes, can you see this yellow pups? It's gonna flower, it's lovely. Actually, it will flower a second time this year. But I got this from, I was on a photo walk, taking pictures, and I saw this guy standing there and giving plants away. And I got on his mailing list and got me some plants. Here is hanging, I think this is some kind of monstera. They say it's Monstera castellanum, but I don't know really. To polish. I don't know if it's castellanum or not, but it has very interesting leaves, very light green under and dark going over. And I saw this pretty thing on sale. It was $9 but it's turned away to the window. I can show you. So this is it. This is for $9, but it's really long. It's nice, but I put it on the other side so it can take as much sun as it gets in this northern facing window. And I see loads of new growth, which is good. These tiny sprouts, that's good, perfect. And then we have my oldie but goodie philodendron, but this actually changed name. And I don't really remember to what, so it's no longer a philodendron, even though I think it's a philodendron. This one is lovely, and look, I told you I love this. I love the scars of the philodendron, and look at these beauties. Also, while we are talking about scars of philodendron, I have a friend from South Africa, and he actually have philodendrons in his garden. So I was asking him if I could post this video because he saw it last time, and he said, "Oh, look at this, what I have in my garden." And wow, I was amazed. So he actually allowed me to post the video here. So here it is, directly from South Africa.
Hey Nelly, I said I'd send you an email. These are the scars of that plant that you have in your balcony, but have a look at how big mine is. Nelly, here's another one. This is the smaller one that is next to our patio area. Sorry, excuse Tyson coming to visit, but I'm just going to reverse out here and you can see. But this one is at least 8 or 9 feet tall as well. And here's another little piece just for interest's sake as well. You can see how the scarring, like you were talking about in yours. And then here's the fruiting parts, and then here's a fresh new shoot that's coming out.
Also, we have some flowers in the terrariums, and this is my boyfriend terrarium. We have some air plants, and this one just flowered. Yeah, this one just flowered, and unfortunately it's already done flowering. I never catch them flower. Anyway, we have more plants. We have some orchids here. Another bromeliad, and then we have some peperomias. Lots of poo. We are just about to clean these terrariums. We also have, with Matilda, some more air plants. This one got a pop in our care. And what do we have more here? We have also another bromeliad over there. We have Matilda over here. I don't want to disturb her. We have some asparagus fern, or how do they call it? Some anthurium over there. Some orchids over here. So it's lovely. It's really, really lovely. So this is it for this time, and the next time we are going to... Oh, this is my hallway, but we are going to the office, and in the office we have some nice friends. Thank you so much for watching, and like or dislike, everything counts. So, and if you dislike, you may say why or give me a feedback, and I see you in my next video.